Hey, what's going on? I'm the Chart Guy here, founder of Unbroken Mindset. And I just wanted to show you guys a little something while I was going over my charts, just looking for plays for the next day. So one thing that I did find interesting, and I'm going to share my screen here, is on Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor, we have a double bottom sitting here on the daily time frame. So we had a bearish move into a 1 and 2 hit of support. And that 2 hits of support comes off of the weekly, right? So here we had a nice little support line here. And then if we take it to the smaller time frame, which is the day, we had that 2 bottoms respect that support at 97.23. So if I'm going for intraday trading, one thing that I do want to do is I want to go to the hourly candle. And the one thing that I will be looking at for Taiwan Semiconductor tomorrow, if I get a break with volume over 108.04, I'm gonna take Taiwan Semiconductor long. If I get a break below 107.54, then I'm gonna take Taiwan Semiconductor short. So we got a nice little PMG right here with a nice little full candle move that we could mirror all the way back down to 106.83 and further, depending on which side breaks with volume, right? But I would be looking for a bullish reversal move out of Taiwan Semiconductor just because on the daytime frame, we do have a double bottom, and a double bottom is a bullish reversal move. So I will be looking for that tomorrow, but you must wait for it to validate. You don't want to jump in too soon. So let that validate and see if it hits those resistance levels for those entries. So I'm the Chart Guy, founder of Unbroken Mindset. I'm out.